Welcome back to the channel. I am back with another woman-owned business review, and it's been a while since I've done one, but I'm really excited. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all, I actually have had this product or these products for a long time, so excuse me. You know, I've just been going through the motions of the season changing, and I just really hadn't got around to trying this, although I really need to try it. So typically I do natural hair products, or at least that's what I've done for the last couple of reviews, woman-owned business reviews, but that is actually not what we are going to be reviewing today. So today I am going to be reviewing a natural deodorant, and it's actually the first natural deodorant that I have done all year. If you have not watched my top 5 natural deodorant video that I did at the beginning of the year, please take a look at that video. I'm giving you guys so much information in that video pertaining to the top 5 and why I like those natural deodorants amongst all of the natural deodorants that I've tried over the years. That's like my top 5, and maybe this one will make it on my list when I do one next year or 2021. But let's get started. So I'm actually reviewing the company called Pardo Naturals. So I was sent the natural deodorant transitioning kit. So not only do I have the deodorant, but I have some other items that would be essential for anyone that is actually looking to transition from using deodorants with aluminum and harsh chemicals over to a natural based deodorant. If you have never seen any of my natural deodorant videos, I have said it a million times that it is a transitioning process and period. It's just like if you are transitioning with your hair, like how you went through the process of actually restoring your natural curls. That's a process, and that takes months, and this is also a process, and this takes months too. It actually can take years before, well, I'm not gonna say that, but it definitely takes months. I mean, it may take years for someone, it just all depends. But so Pardo Naturals is a natural hair, skin, and like home lifestyle company. They not only, well, obviously you know that they offer natural deodorant, but of course they offer natural hair products, as well as like a lot of just like home items. Like there are things for like cleaning your home, natural products for that. I believe she also makes candles, as well as, I mean, she even has products for your pets that are natural and have natural ingredients in them. So I would strongly suggest for you to go ahead and check them out. Again, this is a woman-owned business. She started the company, I believe, in 2014, and she was looking for products to assist with her daughter's skin condition. She had struggles with eczema, so she couldn't find any products on the market. Like most of us, you can't find something, so when you can't find what you're looking for, you research, and you do enough research to the point where you learn how to make your own products, right? So that's what she did, and you'll be able to find pretty much everything that you're looking for when it comes to like transitioning over to a natural lifestyle, and that's what I really love. Okay, so y'all know that I have been using natural deodorant for years. I technically don't need a transitioning kit, but I got it so you guys can see what is included in this, because I think it's really awesome. This particular kit, or her scents of natural deodorant, there were 4 different options that you could pick from. Let me see, it was lemongrass, citrus and vanilla, rosemary and lime, which is the one that I have, and then lavender, which I know a lot of people like. So let's go ahead and crack this baby open. Oops. Okay, y'all, that was so noisy trying to get that out of there. But yeah, like I said, I can already smell it as I was taking it out. I didn't mention how much it was. I think it was like $30-something. Let me see. Yeah, it was $38.99. So when you think about like purchasing deodorant, I don't know, like natural deodorants are around, I would say between like 12 and 15, I mean like $10 and $15. It just all depends on the size of the deodorant. So for this kit to be $38, I think it's a good value. Let's see what we have here. We'll start off with the actual natural deodorant. Again, like I said, everything is in the rosemary lime scent. So it is baking soda free. Y'all know how I feel about baking soda. Oh my God. This is let me see, look at some of the ingredients. So it does have shea butter in it. That's awesome. Tea tree oil, coconut oil. You're allergic to nuts or allergic to, yeah, so you might not be able to use this deodorant. It just all depends, but definitely, okay, be mindful. When you go to the website, you can check out the ingredients. There should be a list of the ingredients on the website as well, but that's just something to look out for. So we have the deodorant itself. Then I have a natural shaving lotion. So I don't shave, but a lot of people do, right? I don't have underarm hair where, okay, I'm not gonna say that I don't shave. I do shave because like I still do get like some hairs that grow under my underarms, but like twice a year. Like, I mean, some people like, what do y'all do, shave? I remember, it ain't been that long, but I remember I used to have to like shave every other day. So now I shave like once every 4 months, and then even then it's just like a couple of little hairs. But this is a shaving lotion, and it says you should wet your skin and apply shaving lotion until it lathers and shave as normal. Okay, so this has Castile soap in it, aloe vera, and then grapeseed oil and an essential oil. So that's pretty cool. Okay, I wonder how long it lasts, because again, all of our products are handmade and they're natural. So I just wonder what is the shelf life on this. But it isn't a lot, right? So if you're using this as your shaving cream, so it replaces the shaving cream. So this kit is pretty awesome because it's giving you everything that you need when it comes time to pretty much go through the transitioning process of getting out all those toxins out of your pores. When you no longer use, I guess, I don't know, toxic, I don't want to call it that, but toxic deodorant, non-natural deodorant. Okay, so now we have a 3-in-1 exfoliating armpit scrub. Okay, I'm excited about this one because, okay, it cleans, it detox and exfoliates. So it says gently apply to wet underarms in a circular motion, rinse and pat dry. Follow up with the natural deodorant. Okay. So I'm thinking that this is the first, well, let me see. I'm thinking that this is the first one, but maybe this isn't the first thing that I do. So she also included some bentonite clay. If you've never heard of bentonite clay, I mean, to me, I've used it for, a lot of people use it on their hair as like a detox for your hair. And then I have never used it on my hair, but I have used it as a face mask. And it basically like absorbs and sucks out all of the harsh, bad gook out of your skin and face. It's the best way that I can describe it and think right now. But this looks like it's like the pure clay. So it says you mix 1 tablespoon of clay with apple cider vinegar. Yeah, the same way that that's the same thing you do with it on your face. Oh, and then it says add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water to get a creamy consistency for underarm detox and leave on for 10 to 20 minutes until it hardens. This is good. Like, I feel like if I had something like this, because I never thought about it like, but if I had something like this when I was transitioning, I feel like the process of transitioning from using chemical deodorant to natural deodorant, I feel like it would have been a quicker process. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to do it and I'm going to show you all, I guess I'm going to do it. Yeah. I mean, even though I don't feel like I need it, but I'm going to still use it. It doesn't really let me know what the order should be, and maybe you don't have to use all these you don't have to use them all in one day, but I would say we'll use the shaving lotion first, and then we'll go in with the bentonite clay, and then after that we'll do the exfoliating armpit scrub, which I don't know, because I know the bentonite clay is strong. I don't know, y'all. I might not do these together because I don't think it said that you have to do them together. But I just know after I use this, then you are supposed to go in with the actual deodorant after you apply the scrub. So let's go ahead and test it out and see what I think. All Alright, y'all, so we're gonna go in with the natural shaving lotion, and I always check to see if my products are sealed, and I love when they are, so that's also a plus. And we're just gonna go in and scrub it and rub it as if, you know, it is soap, like you just clean it underneath your underarms. What I did know is that right off the bat, like, obviously I love the smell, and the smell is exactly what it says, rosemary and lime, and that's exactly what it smells like. So to me, it smells really good, very earthy, very natural. Now, of course, normally you would actually shave your underarms at this point in time, but because I don't have any hair, I'm just going to use it to clean my underarms. So just so you guys are wondering, like, why isn't she shaving? Because I ain't got no hair to shave. All right, now we're going to go in with the exfoliating armpit scrub, and I'm just gonna let y'all know that I didn't do the bentonite clay, and the reason is that I was scared. I didn't want to do both of them in the same day, just because I know that bentonite is very, very strong, and my underarms are very, very sensitive, so we just couldn't have that. So I decided to skip it and do the exfoliated armpit scrub, and I was so glad I did. I really enjoyed this scrub. So now that I have the scrub on, I am just doing my thumbnails so y'all can see how crazy I look, and this is how I create thumbnails. But while you all watch me make silly faces and look crazy, I think this is the perfect time to let you all know that Pardo Naturals was so gracious to offer a discount code if you were interested in trying out their natural deodorant. So I do have a 15% off discount code that you guys can use at checkout. All you have to do is enter CURL15 to receive 15% off of your deodorant purchase. So I think that that's really, really awesome that they did go ahead and partner with me to bring that to you all. I know my videos aren't the shortest, so I appreciate those that stick through and watch these full videos. And as a token of my appreciation, you know, I always try to ask companies to provide my audience a discount as an incentive for you guys to continue to watch and support me, and they were so gracious to go ahead and offer a discount. So this should be able to help you guys offset the cost, because I do understand that at times we don't always have a budget for all of the things that we want to try. So hopefully the 15% off can help you guys around this time. So now that we're all cleaned off, it's time to go in with the deodorant. Again, this entire kit was rose lime scented, and I absolutely love it. The deodorant itself was actually very creamy, and it almost was like it was melting into my skin. So you'll see on my face, I'm going to be kind of like, yes, you see it. Yes, that's exactly how I felt. Like, I really enjoyed it because I felt like it was like hydrating my skin. And I honestly I haven't felt that with another deodorant. There are other natural deodorants that I really like, but I gotta be honest with you, like, I never had one that made my skin feel like it was hydrated while also making sure I don't stink. All right, y'all, I am back and I love it. I love the entire transitioning kit or detox experience. Man, I haven't done one of those in a really long time because I don't need to do them anymore. But maybe I do. Like, maybe it's just good. Like, the exfoliating scrub is just good, you know, to just do every once in a while, even if you have been using natural deodorant for years. I really love the scrub. I love the scent. I love the scent of the scrub as well as the scent of the deodorant. I had a really good lather with this shaving lotion, which is like basically like soap. And I love the fact that it does have aloe vera in it. You know, aloe vera has amazing moisturizing and healing properties and anti-inflammatory properties. So I just feel like she kind of like hit on all of the things that I'm like currently using in my natural skin routine, as well as like my natural hair routine. Like, she on point. So I'm definitely going to use this all up. I'm probably going to also purchase a couple of the other scents, probably not the full kit again, but I will purchase a few because I do want that citrus and vanilla, I believe. But yeah, so I shouldn't put my shirt back on, but y'all can see my underarms. They smell amazing. They are so hydrated and moisturized, and I feel like they are really hydrated and moisturized because the the deodorant has shea butter in it, and it has coconut oil, so it just has a lot of great ingredients in it that like our skin loves. Like, at least my skin, I know my skin loves shea butter, and it don't smell like shea butter though. I don't like the smell of shea butter, and I cannot smell it at all. Like, literally I smell that rosemary, because the rosemary is really strong, and then the lime. It's a party. Like, this is a whole party, and I am here for it. So please, please, please give them a try. If you are thinking about going on a natural deodorant journey, and you've been looking for a natural deodorant to try, and you really don't know what to try, I have not done reviews on natural deodorant all year until now, and I'm so glad that this was the one that I chose to try out this year before the year is up. I will link their website in my description. Let me know if you've ever tried natural deodorants before, and what is your favorite natural deodorant, and if you're going to give this a try. I hope you guys did find this video helpful. If you did enjoy it, please make sure you go ahead and like it and share this with someone. Share this with anybody that is interested in getting more information about natural deodorant. And that's it. That's all I got. So if you have not subscribed already, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified as soon as my next video drops. And as always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all in the next one. Bye.